Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your daily English shadowing practice. If you want to speak English more naturally, you are in the right place. In this video, you will not only listen but also speak with me. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. After each sentence, you can pause and repeat. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to practice. Today, we will talk about simple daily English that you can use in real life. These are sentences you can use at home, at work, or when you go outside. Try to listen carefully and then repeat out loud. Speak with your voice, not only in your head. The more you repeat, the more confident you will feel. Step by step, your English will become natural and easy. Now, take a deep breath, relax, and get ready. Let's listen, repeat, and speak together. Morning routine. Good morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. and I still feel a little sleepy. I open my eyes slowly and take a deep breath. I stay in bed for a few seconds before I sit up. Then I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water and it wakes me up. After that, I brush my teeth and look in the mirror. I try to smile, even if I feel tired. Then I go to the kitchen and make some coffee. The smell is very nice and I feel better right away. Now I feel awake and I am ready to start my day. Breakfast. In the morning, I feel a little hungry, so I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast because I do not have much time. Sometimes I cook eggs and sometimes I just eat bread. I pour a cup of coffee or tea and sit down at the table. I take a bite and the food tastes warm and good. I eat slowly and enjoy the quiet morning. It feels calm and peaceful. After I finish eating, I feel full and happy. Now I am ready to go out and start my day. Getting ready. After breakfast, I start getting ready for the day. I take a shower and the water is warm and relaxing. It helps my body feel better. Then I dry my body and put on my clothes. I choose something simple and comfortable. I stand in front of the mirror and check my hair. Sometimes I fix it a little. I look at myself and take a deep breath. I feel ready and more confident. Now I can leave the house and begin my day. Going to work. I leave my house and get into my car. The weather is nice today and the air feels fresh. I start the car and begin driving to work. The road is a little busy, but everything is moving slowly. I drive carefully and stay calm. Sometimes I listen to music while I drive. It helps me feel relaxed. I stop at a red light and wait for a moment. Then I continue driving. Soon, I arrive at work and park my car. I feel ready to start my day. At work. When I arrive at work, I say hello to my co-workers. They smile and say hello back to me. It feels friendly and nice. I sit down and look at my tasks for the day. I try to plan what I need to do. I start working slowly and focus on my job. Sometimes the work is easy and sometimes it is hard. But I always try my best. Time goes by quickly when I stay busy. At the end, I feel good about my work. Lunch time. Around noon, I start to feel hungry again. I take a break and get ready to eat lunch. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other times I buy something outside. I sit down and take a moment to relax. I take a bite and the food tastes really good. It helps me feel better. I drink some water and rest for a few minutes. My body feels more relaxed. After lunch, I feel ready to work again. Small talk. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, just a little busy. How about you? I'm doing okay, just working a lot today. Yes, me too? The weather is nice today, right? Yes, it feels really good outside. Do you have any plans later? No, I just want to go home and rest. That sounds nice. See you later. Going home. After work, I feel tired but also a little happy. I finish my tasks and pack my things. Then I say goodbye to my co-workers. I walk to my car and sit down. I take a deep breath and relax. I start driving home slowly. The road is a little busy again. When I arrive home, I feel comfortable and safe. It feels good to be back. Now I can relax and rest. Dinner. In the evening, I feel hungry again, so I make dinner. I go to the kitchen and start cooking. I cut some vegetables and prepare the food. The smell is very nice, and I feel excited. I sit down and start eating slowly. The food tastes warm and delicious. I enjoy every bite. I drink some water and relax. It feels like a good end to the day. After dinner, I feel full and satisfied. Night routine. At night, I feel tired after a long day. I take a warm shower to relax my body. The warm water makes me feel calm. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I check my phone for a few minutes. I turn off the lights and lie down in bed. I take a deep breath and close my eyes. I think about my day for a moment. Then I slowly fall asleep. Now my body can rest for tomorrow. Before you go, remember this. You do not need a long time to learn English. You just need to practice a little every day. Try to watch this video again 1 or 2 more times. Pause and repeat the sentences out loud. Listen carefully and try to copy the voice, the tone, and the speed. This is how you start to sound more natural. Even a short video can help you a lot. 20 seconds is enough if you repeat and practice. Also, try to use English in your daily life. Start with small things. Say simple words in English during your day. Write your notes or your to-do list in English. Watch a few minutes of English every day. Little by little, you will get better. These small actions can build strong habits. And strong habits will make you more confident. So do not stop here. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep speaking. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.